Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a clay Jellycat Croissant. Start by conditioning your polymer clay until it is soft and pliable. Choose a warm, golden brown shade to mimic a real croissant. Next, roll a small piece of clay into a smooth, elongated cone. This will form the main body of your croissant. Gently flatten the wider end of the cone to create a stable, triangular base. This initial step is crucial for achieving the iconic croissant shape. Now, let's add those delicious layers. With a small craft knife or a needle tool, make several shallow, parallel cuts along the wider, flattened edge of your clay triangle. These cuts should be about 1/8 of an inch apart. Carefully begin to curl the wider end inwards, rolling it towards the pointed tip. Make sure the cut edges slightly overlap, giving the impression of flaky pastry. To enhance realism, use a ball-tip tool or a toothpick to gently press small indentations across the surface. This mimics the airy texture of a baked croissant. For the Jellycat touch, roll a very thin, short piece of black clay into a slight curve and attach it as a smile. Then, add 2 tiny, round black clay pieces for the eyes, positioning them just above the smile. Once you are happy with your croissant's details, it's time to bake it. Follow the specific temperature and time instructions on your polymer clay packaging, typically around 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. After baking, let your adorable clay croissant cool completely. Finally, apply a clear, glossy glaze to give it a lovely shine and protect your creation for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.